Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. Gardening leisure time activity. The earth has a music for those who listen by William Shakespeare. What is leisure time activity? Free time after school or work is leisure time. Why we select gardening as our leisure time activity? Gardening is a form of meditation, a way to connect with nature and find peace within.
How to prepare a garden. Choose your garden type, such as flowering gardens, herb gardens, and vegetable gardens. Choose your garden format. For example, container gardening, backyard gardening, raised bed gardening. Test the soil. Soil testing determines whether your soil is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. Amend your soil. A soil amendment is any material added to soil to improve it for plant growth. Prepare ground for planting. Dig to a depth of about 10 inches and break up dirt, clods and big stones. Determine your weed strategy. Accurate weed identification is the first step to successfully managing weeds. Consider your sunlight. Different plants need different degrees of sun exposure ready to plant. Thank you.
How to take care of garden. Usefully compost yard waste, keep an eye on bugs, clean up in the fall, apply the correct fertilizer, prune damaged limbs at the right time, choose and site plants appropriately. Examine plants very carefully. Good root, bad root. Plants in my garden. Carrots, radishes, strawberry, beans, mint, lettuce, potato.
Benefits of gardening. Gardening burns a lot of calories. It can lower your blood pressure. Spending time outside is good for your bone. Growing your own food can help you to eat healthier. Gardening can relieve stress. It can provide a source of community. Gardening can make you happier.